Now let's take another example for optimal page replacement algorithm. A reference string is given of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 1, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 5, 4, 5, 4, 2. So these are the sequence of page requests, and we have to allocate these pages into the frame, and the number of frames are 4. So only 4 frames are there, and we have to allocate, or we have to give the frames to these page requests. Now we start. First page request is 1, so we will allocate this page into the first frame. Next request is 2, then we allocate the page into the second frame. Next request is 3, we allocate this page into the third frame. Next page request is 4, and one frame is empty, we allocate this page into the empty frame, that is 4. Now the next request is 5. Now we'll check whether that page is in the frame or not. It is not in the frame. Now which frame we have to replace? अब हमें किस फ्रेम पेज को रिप्लेस करना है फ्रेम को एम्प्टी करने के लिए? उसके लिए हमें जज करना पड़ेगा. We'll judge or we'll check which particular page is not going to be used for longest period of time. ऐसा कौन सा पेज है जो बहुत देर तक यूज होने वाला नहीं है, हम उस पेज को रिप्लेस करेंगे. तो we can see over here from 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 is going to use after 5, 4 is going to use, 1 is going to use, and 2 is going to use after very long time. So we target this 2, target page is 2, and replace that page with the 5. So 5 can be replaced with the page number 2. Okay. Now the next request is 3. 3 is already in the frame, no need to replace. Next request is 4, that is also in the frame, no need to replace. Next request is 1, that is also in the frame, no need to replace. Now next request is 6. 6 is not in the frame, and we have to allocate this page into the frame, but frame is filled, already filled, so we need to replace or empty some frame. So which page is going to replace? We have to check from these 4 pages which particular page is not going to use for, will be not going to use for long period of time. So you can see over here from these 4 pages, page number 4 is going to use after some time, page number 5 is also going to use after some time, okay, and page number 1 which is not going to use in longest period of time, even 1 is not in the sequence further. So our target page is 1. 1 is replaced by 6. So you can replace 1 by 6. Right? Now next request is 7. Now you check whether 7 is there or not. 7 is not in the frame. Now which page we are going to replace? Now again we have to check from these 4 pages which page is not going to use for longest period of time. So you can see 4 is somewhere going to use, 5 is also we are going to use somewhere. Now page number 6 is not going to use for long period of time, and 3 is also we are not seeing anywhere in the next. So from 3 and 6 our target page may be 3 and 6. Now as I told you in the previous video, that when you have some pages in the frame which is not going to use in future, and we have to replace some pages or any pages, so which one will choose? We choose the page which comes first in first out manner. So from 3 and 6 you can see 3 came first in the frame. So 3 is the target page which we need to replace. So we replace page number 3 with the 7. So 7 is here, 5 and 6. Right? Now next request is 8. 8 is there. Now 8 is not there, sorry. You can check over here that page number 8 is not there. 4, 7, 5 and 6. So you need to replace the page number 8 from the pages which is here. Now we have to check which particular page is not going to use for the longest period of time. from these 4 pages. So you can check that page number 4 is going to use after some time. 5 is also we are going to use after some time. Now page number 7 we are also going to use after some time, and page number 6. Page number 6 is not going to use for very long time. Even there is a no page request of page number 6 in the further queue. So 6 is our target page. We can replace page number 6 by 8. So 4, 7, 5 and 8. Right. Now the next request is 7, which is already in the frame. No need to do anything. Page number 8. Next request is page number 8, which is also in the frame. So nothing to do. Right. Now the next request is 9. 9 is not in the frame. So we need to replace some page from the frame so that we can allocate page number 9. Right. So now we check that which page can be replaced or which page can be removed from frame from all these 4 pages. So we have to check the reference string further. See, page number 7 is going to use after 9. 8 is also going to use. 7 which is not going to use, and 4 is going to use after some time. So here 7, 8, 5 and 4 all are going to use, but which particular page is from this 4 is going to use in the last. So I think page number 4. Page number 4 is going to use after these 3, 7, 5 and 8. So page number 4 is our target page. We need to replace with the page number 4. So 9, 7, 5 and 8. Now next request is 7, which is already in the frame. Next request is 8, which is already in the frame. Next request is 9, which is also in the frame. Next request is 5, which is also already in the frame. Now next request is 4. Next request is 4 and all the frames are filled. So we need to replace the page which is not going to use for a long time. After this, after allocating 4, just 5 is going to use, so 5 cannot be replaced anyway. Our page number 9, 7 and 8, which is not going to use further because our string is going to end. So 9, 7 and 8. These 3 are our target page, but which particular page will replace? Again we apply here first in first out. Which page is allocated first among these 3? Among these 3 means 9, 7 and 8. So 7 is allocated before 8 and 9. So 7 is our target page. We can replace 7 with 4. Okay. Now next request is 5, which is already in the frame. No need to replace. Next request is 4. No need to replace because it is already in the frame. Now the next request is next request is 2. So which page we are going to replace, because all 4 pages is not going to use, string is going to end. So all 4 are there and we can replace anyone, but in this case we apply first in first out because here all the pages is not going to use for further. So as I told you, when we have number of choice to replace, then we apply first in first out. So which page is from this 4, which page came first? You can see over here 4 is just came, before that 9 came, before that 8. So 5 is from all 4 which came first in the sequence. So 5 is our target page. We can replace 5 with 2. So now string ends. Now we will calculate number of page fault, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So there are 11 number of page fault in this particular example when the reference string is given and number of frames are put. Thank you.